Hi friends, my name is Dhananjay. I'm in Mount Litera. I'm studying grade 9 in Mount Litera, the Sr.Sec.School, Sivagangai. Today I'm going to say about how the disease spread. The disease spread from infectious person to non-infected person by some factors. Such disease is called communicable disease or infectious disease. These disease can spread through air. For example, if a person coughs without closing his mouth, the microbes in his body come out and spread in the air, and if we breathe that air, we will also get infected by the same disease. For example, common cold, tuberculosis. So the next factors are water. The disease can spread through water by drinking the contaminated water or staying in an area near the contaminated water. By the contaminated water, the mosquitoes or other insects sit on that, and that will came as to spread the disease. The next mode of spreading of disease is living in a crowded region. If we live in the crowded region, the infectious disease will easily affect to the infected person to the non-infected person, and the disease also caused by animals, sexual acts, and mainly the disease are caused by mosquitoes. Thank you.
Sr.Sec.School from Litera School, Sivagangai. I am going to explain tissues. All living organism is made up of the basic unit called cells. Cells are grouped together to form tissues. These tissues vary in structures and functions. Tissues vary from plants and animals. There are four types of animal tissues: epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue, nerve tissue. And there are two types of plant tissues: meristematic tissue and permanent tissues. Difference between animal tissues and plant tissues. Plants don't really move and they don't have so much functions. So all of the cells in plants are dead tissues. And animals move and they have many functions other than physical. So all the tissues are living tissues. There are two types of plant tissues: dividing tissues and non-dividing tissues. But in animals, there is only dividing tissues. Plant tissues does not grow uniformly. It's non-uniform. But animals' tissues grow uniformly. It's uniform. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Hemavati of grade 9 studying Mount Litera, the Sr.Sec.School at Sivagangai. Today I am going to say about nomenclature. The system of scientific naming or nomenclature was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. It is unique to identify in the world. We limit ourselves to writing the names of genus and species of that particular organism. The world over, it has been agreed that both these names will be used in Latin forms when printed is given in italics, and when written by hand, the genus and the species have to be underlined separately. Example: ostrich. Thank you.
from grade 9. Today I am going to explain about what is meant by tissue. Tissues are a group of cells that are similar in structure and work together in a particular function is called tissues. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Himavati of grade 9 studying Mount Litera Sr.Sec.School at Sivagangai. Today I am going to say about the 5 kingdoms. Come, let's get into the video. Monera. They have unicellular prokaryotic organisms. The cell wall may or may not present. The mode of nutrition is autotrophic or heterotrophic. Example, bacteria. Protista. They have unicellular eukaryotic organisms. The body is covered by cilia, flagella for locomotion. The mode of nutrition is autotrophic or heterotrophic. Example, diatoms, protozoans. Fungi. These are multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Will cell wall made up of chitin. They do not perform photosynthesis. Saprotrophic. Example, aspergills, penicillium, mushroom and rhizomes. The fungi living with algae forms lichen. Plantae. These are multicellular eukaryotic organisms with cell wall made up of cellulose able to perform photosynthesis. Example, rice, wheat. Animalia. These are multicellular eukaryotic organisms without cell wall. They are not able to perform photosynthesis. Example, human beings, peacock. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I'm going to be talking about body tissues. Tissues is a group of cells that have similar structure and function together as a unit. A non-living material called the intercellular matrix fills the spaces between the cells. This may be abundant in some tissues and minimal in others. The intercellular matrix may contain special substances such as salts and fibers that are unique to a specific tissue and gives that tissue distinctive characteristics. There are three main tissue types in the body: connective, muscle and nervous. Each is designed for specific functions. Thank you.